Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Today I would like to share you our new design mask machine. Which is our duck mouse shaped mask machine. We can see it looks like a duck mouse. So here I want to introduce the ear loop specifically, and we can see the ear loop. It cannot be adjusted length. You have to make sure if you want to longer of the ear loop handband, you have to make sure the material is elastic enough. So also here, this area we can make customer logo on it. And that's all for the mask introduction. Next, we will go to our mask machine introduction. So let's check our machine from the whole appearance. And I will start my introduction from the fitting area. We can see our fitting rack have 8 rollers here. That means you will have to install 8 layers of fabric. This is our customer customization. And here is our nose pin material rack. And here is mainly to control this part. And here have total 6 pieces of fabric corrector. That means 2 correctors have to put 2 layers each. So total will be 8 layers. And the fabric corrector is mainly to make sure the fabric always in the same position to avoid you will go too left or too right. Here is our fabric sensor. Each layer have 1. And here is our material. Our material will go from this part, and this is the below part. This is the top part. So 4 layers go through the below part, and 4 layers go through the top part. And here is our nose pin part. This is the nose pin cutter. This is the gate roller. And it is driven by servo motors. So you can adjust by using the touch screen. And next, and the nose pin will insert from here. And so let's take a look at our sample. It will go put inside like this. And here is our first printing mode and the logo customization area. It's mainly to print the patterns on the mask of this position, and also the logo. And it's driven by an ultrasonic with 20K 2000 watt. And this is the gate roller. Here is our ear loop station, and we don't have a specific ear loop welding station. Our ear loop will go from here, then directly inside to the fabric. And this mode will position the ear loop. Let's take a look at our sample. So you will position this side, these 2 sides, and you will be welded inside here. So after this process, it will go to this mode. It's meant to print the V printers, which means this area. So here use an ultrasonic with 15K 2600 watts. And here use ultrasonic with 20K 2000 watts. This is the get roller. And this part is to here this position is meant to slightly adjust the position of these two sides. If it's only like if we set at 1 millimeters and the result is 0.8 millimeters, that means you can adjust this part. And the yellow color part is our mask cutter. So you will cut the excess edge of the mask. We can see here. And this is the excess edge, so it means this is the waist. And this also. So you will cut the mask in shape like this. And here we can see is our waist connection device. This is optional. If you don't want the waist connection part, you can insert the material from this part. It also can connect the waist. And this is our conveyor belt. So let's take a look. So it supports 2 languages so far, English and Chinese. And here have some indicators of each button. Let's check our electric box. So here is our electric box. We can see here total have 12 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 2 stepping motors. And it's a bus structure, so it will move fast. So that's all for the introduction. See you next time.